Halloween magic in the kitchen with Mom.
Listen to the conversation, then speak Lucy and her mom's lines out loud. Practice sounding natural, just like they are talking.
Lucy, Halloween is coming. What should we cook?
Oh, Mom. Let's make something spooky and fun.
How about monster cupcakes?
Yes. Green cupcakes with candy eyes.
And maybe some ghost cookies too?
White cookies with funny faces. That sounds yummy.
We can also make pumpkin soup.
Can it be orange like a real pumpkin?
Of course, with bat-shaped bread on the side. Let's make these cupcakes look like monsters.
Can I put the green food coloring in?
Yes. Pour it in, and let's mix it up.
They look like slimy green monsters now.
We'll bake them, and then add candy eyes.
Can I put 3 eyes on one?
Sure, it will be a super scary monster.
I want to make one with a big smile too.
Now, time to roll the dough for ghost cookies.
I love ghosts. Can I use the cookie cutter?
Yes, press it down, and make lots of ghosts.
They look spooky already.
We'll use white icing to make them look like real ghosts.
Can I draw the faces with chocolate?
Yes, we can make happy ghosts, scary ghosts, or silly ghosts.
I'm making a ghost with a funny face.
Now, let's make something warm. How about pumpkin soup?
It smells so good. What do we need?
We'll use real pumpkins, carrots, and some cream.
Can I help stir the pot?
Yes, carefully. Don't let it spill.
Can we cut the bread into bats now?
Sure. Here's a bat-shaped cutter for the bread.
These bats will fly into the soup.
Time to make a special Halloween drink, witch's punch.
What's in it, Mom?
Green juice, floating eyeballs, and some magic bubbles.
Floating eyeballs? That's creepy.
It's just candy, but it looks scary, right?
I love it. It's perfect for Halloween.
Now our spooky feast is ready.
This will be the best Halloween dinner ever.
Let's set the table and enjoy our spooky treats.
I can't wait to eat the monster cupcakes, ghost cookies, and pumpkin soup.
Now, I'll be Lucy's mom and you'll be Lucy. Listen to my lines, then say Lucy's lines out loud. Let's practice speaking English together. Lucy, Halloween is coming. What should we cook? How about monster cupcakes? And maybe some ghost cookies too? We can also make pumpkin soup. Of course, with bat-shaped bread on the side. Let's make these cupcakes look like monsters. Yes. Pour it in, and let's mix it up. We'll bake them, and then add candy eyes. Sure, it will be a super scary monster. Now, time to roll the dough for ghost cookies. Yes, press it down, and make lots of ghosts. We'll use white icing to make them look like real ghosts. Yes, we can make happy ghosts, scary ghosts, or silly ghosts. Now, let's make something warm. How about pumpkin soup? We'll use real pumpkins, carrots, and some cream. Yes, carefully. Don't let it spill. Sure. Here's a bat-shaped cutter for the bread. Time to make a special Halloween drink, witch's punch. Green juice, floating eyeballs, and some magic bubbles. It's just candy, but it looks scary, right? Now our spooky feast is ready. Let's set the table and enjoy our spooky treats. Guess what? This time, I'll be Lucy, and you'll be her mom. Listen to my lines, then say Lucy's mom's lines out loud. Let's practice speaking English together.
Oh, Mom. Let's make something spooky and fun. Yes. Green cupcakes with candy eyes. White cookies with funny faces. That sounds yummy. Can it be orange like a real pumpkin? Can I put the green food coloring in? They look like slimy green monsters now. Can I put 3 eyes on one? I want to make one with a big smile too. I love ghosts. Can I use the cookie cutter? They look spooky already. Can I draw the faces with chocolate? I'm making a ghost with a funny face. It smells so good. What do we need? Can I help stir the pot? Can we cut the bread into bats now? These bats will fly into the soup. What's in it, Mom? Floating eyeballs? That's creepy. I love it. It's perfect for Halloween. This will be the best Halloween dinner ever. I can't wait to eat the monster cupcakes, ghost cookies, and pumpkin soup.
Now it's your turn. Take turns being Lucy or her mom with a friend or family member. And act out the conversation together. Have fun practicing English.
Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. You can always go back and keep practicing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time.